Hello, good morning friends. I am Salik Kathane, working as a subject assistant at DAD Gondia. Today we will discuss on motion and type of motion. In this chapter, the topic is type of motion. Motion. We know that moving objects are said to be object in motion. Look at this picture. Here, a boy kicked the football. Then we see that the football in motion, means there is a continuous displacement of football takes place. This is the another picture. In this picture, toy in motion, means there is a continuous displacement of toy, but the direction of toy is different than the direction of football. This is the aeroplane in motion. Therefore, the direction of aeroplane is again different. Means these three pictures shows there is a continued displacement, but the direction of displacement is different, and these three objects are in motion but have different direction. The continued displacement of an object is called motion. What is displacement? Change of place of an object is called displacement. Type of motion. The first type is linear motion and the second type is non-linear motion. The first is linear motion. A train or a moving vehicle on a road may travel in a straight line or in the same direction. This motion of an object is called linear motion. Then type of linear motion: uniform linear motion and non-uniform linear motion. What is uniform linear motion? When the distance travelled by an object along a straight line in unit time is continuously the same, the motion is called uniform linear motion. The second type is non-uniform linear motion. When the distance traversed by an object along a straight line in unit time keep on changing, the motion is called non-uniform linear motion. Type of motion, this is the second type of motion, non-linear. The motion of an object that does not move in a straight line is called non-linear motion. Type of non-linear motion. The first type is oscillatory motion. This swing elevates back from one end to another end and takes about the same time for each swing or oscillation. This movement of swing is called oscillatory motion. This is the another example. The movement of pendulum of clock is the another example of oscillatory motion. The second type of non-linear motion is periodic motion. Some objects complete one round or one oscillation in a fixed period of time. Such motion is called periodic motion. For example, the minute hand of a clock completes one round in exactly 60 minutes every time, while a merry-go-round also completes every round in the same period of time. These are the examples of periodic motion. The third type of non-linear motion is random motion. Look at this picture. Here a girl chasing a butterfly in a garden. For do this, the girl run along a definite path or in the same direction all the time? No. The direction or the path of girl to chasing the butterfly is different, like this. A butterfly constantly flies from one flower to another. There is no definite direction to its motion. Such motion is called as random motion. Look at this picture. This is a picture of boy play with football. The motion of the player in the game of football is also the example of random motion. The motion that changes its direction and speed continuously is called random motion. Fourth type of non-linear motion is circular motion. Look at this picture. In this picture, the motion of this toy is circular. Again, motion of fan is also circular motion. Again, here we know very well about this. The motion of this object is also circular. Thank you friends for watching this video.